So today I am going to explain double displacement reaction. See, first I am going to explain an example related to it. So I have taken two salt solutions, MgCl2. It is called magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. And second salt is Na2SO4. This is called sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. So what happens in double displacement reaction? When two salt solutions, like here I have taken magnesium chloride and sodium sulfate, when two salt solutions react with each other, then first of all, they get dissociated into their respective ions. They get dissociated into their respective ions, like here, it will dissociate as Mg2 plus and Cl minus. How this MgCl2 will dissociate in? It will dissociate as Mg2 plus and Cl minus. In the same manner, if we dissociate Na2SO4, then Na plus and SO4 2 minus. Now what happens in this double displacement reaction after the dissociation? The exchange of ions take place. How? This Mg2 plus will combine with the negative of the second salt. Okay, exchange of ions take place. The positive of the first salt combines with the negative of the second salt, and the positive of the second salt combines with the negative of the first salt. And in this manner, exchange of ions take place. And as a result of this exchange of ions, what happens? Two new salts are formed. How? The combination of Mg2 plus and SO4 2 minus will form the salt MgSO4. Okay, what it will form? It will form MgSO4. And the combination of Na plus and Cl minus will form NaCl. So this is called magnesium sulfate. What this salt is called? It is called magnesium sulfate, and this one is called sodium chloride. What it is called? Sodium chloride. So what has happened in this reaction actually? When two salt solutions are reacted with each other, like MgCl2 and Na2SO4, then in the first step, they get dissociated into their respective ions. Like MgCl2 has got dissociated into Mg2 plus and Cl minus, and Na2SO4 has got dissociated into Na plus and SO4 2 minus. And after dissociation into their respective ions, what has happened? Exchange of ions have taken place. Okay. The positive of the first salt has combined with the negative of the second salt, and the positive of the second salt has got combined with the negative of the first salt. And due to the exchange of ions, two new salts are being formed due to the new combination. Okay, due to the new combination of ions by the process of their exchange, two new salts are formed. The first one in this case is magnesium sulfate, and the second one is NaCl. So this is double displacement reaction in which two salt solutions react with each other in such a manner that they exchange their ions, and as a result of this exchange of ions, what happens? Two new salts are being formed. So let us write the definition of double displacement reaction. What is a double displacement reaction? So we can write here the reaction during which two salt solutions react with each other to form two new salt solutions by exchanging their ions. By exchanging their ions. Okay. So we can see here the reaction during which two salt solutions, okay, these two salt solutions are participating in the reaction, react with each other to form two new salt solutions. These are the products which are formed during the reaction, two new salt solutions. And how? By exchanging their ions. So this is double displacement reaction. Okay.